making kulfi, we need pista, badam, cardamom, sugar, 1 liter milk. Milk and nuts are healthy for our body. Turn on the stove. Then pour the milk into the milk pan. You can use any vessel. Keep stirring it continuously. Keep the flame in sim. Take 5 cardamom and powder it. This is a powder cardamom. After 30 minutes, the milk will get reduced like this. We have chopped 15 badam and 15 pista. Now we are going to add all the item into it. First add the chopped pista and badam into the milk. Milk is good for our bones, rich in protein, helps in strong teeth. So it's good to have milk daily. India is the largest producer of milk in the world. Now we are going to add cardamom powder. Then add half cup sugar. Stir it for some time and turn off the stove and keep it for cooling. We are going to use kulfi maker to make kulfi. Now pour the cool kulfi mixture into the kulfi cup. Fill all the kulfi cups with the cold mixture. You can buy the kulfi maker or you can use cups. Here we have used both. Use ice cream stick and aluminum foil in the steel cup to make kulfi. All the kids will enjoy eating the kulfi. So we can give the kulfi to the kids and they will get the benefits of milk products. I love eating kulfi. After making it ready, keep it in the freezer for 8 hours. After 8 hours, the kulfi is ready. To remove the kulfi from the kulfi cup, you need to keep it in the water for some time. Then take it out slowly. Wow, it came out good. Let's taste it. It's very tasty and healthy. It's so yummy. Now we are going to make paneer. For that, turn on the stove. Pour the milk into the milk pan. Stir it now and then while boiling. We need a lemon and a clove to make paneer. Now squeeze the lemon into the boiling milk. When the citric acid from the lemon reacts with the milk, it gets curdled. Milk products good for health. Stir it for some time and you will get like this. Then pour it into the cheesecloth and filter it. Squeeze it to remove the excess water. Keep some weight above it and keep it for 4 hours. The paneer is ready after 4 hours. Now we can open it and remove the cloth. Cut it into small pieces and it's ready for cooking. We can make variety of dishes with this homemade paneer. Some dishes are kadai paneer, paneer fry, paneer butter masala. Having paneer for breakfast make you feel full for longer. Paneer is rich in magnesium, iron, calcium and fat. Thank you!